Hey friends, and welcome again. Today, we are going to solve this math operation in which we have 4 minus 4 times 2 minus 2. Let's do it like mostly people think its solution, as they think 4 minus 4 equals 0, and here 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now times 0 equals 0. But this answer is totally wrong because we didn't follow any math rule. That's why its answer is not 0. Now let's start its correct solution. For such type of math operations, where 2 or more operations are applying, we have to follow PEMDAS rule. Just like here, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do this multiplication. 4 times 2 equals 8. And in next step, 4 minus 8 minus 2. Easy, right? Okay, now 4 minus 8 equals negative 4. And negative 4 minus 2 equals negative 6. So our final answer for above operation is negative 6. Now guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more math tech videos. And stay connected always. Thanks for your valuable time.